What's up, YouTube? Today I want to do a quick comparison from the Hero 4 and the Hero 6. As you can see, this is the Hero 4 Silver. Nice, the battery, the bottom. You also have your HDMI charger and your memory card, all on the outside basically. This is your battery. Okay. Now, this one is not waterproof. You will need a different case. Okay. Now, this is the Hero 6. As you can see, it's a whole different camera. Has the same thing on top. How you start to record and everything. You can see the size are completely different. Now, one thing, the batteries are different. You want to compare the two batteries. Some people think they can use the old stuff. No. See, as you can see, this is the connector that goes into the power, and you can see it's way different. It's way different. So don't think you can use the 4 or the 3 on the 6. It's all different accessories. Now also, your memory card is inside because this one is completely waterproof. This one has all the seals, and it has this special button you push down to open. And the side too, you see that the side is sealed too, and it has the power and the HDMI. Real nice. Now, the power button on this one is in the front. You can see it turned on. The power button on this one is in the other side. As you can see, it turned on. And as you can see, the screens, this one is bigger. The 6 come with zoom, this one don't come with zoom. Now, the good thing about the 6 is if you're in the water, you can touch the screen. The 4, you have to put it in this little case and not touch the screen. So at least this one, you go in the water and you can touch it. Well, that's about it. I recommend the 6. It has zoom, it has voice command, it has a whole bunch of new features. Even the screen is a lot bigger than the 4. Battery wise, the 6, I used it almost the whole day on and off, and it lasted all day. By the end of the night, I had maybe 20% left, but I made probably about 4 hours or 5 hours of video and some pictures and everything. And the 4, the battery's not too bad either, but the battery are cheaper to find on the 4 if you want to go shop on eBay. Well, recommend the 6. It's an awesome camera, just because, you know, it has all the new features and you don't need this big thing that you can't even touch the screen under the water. Well, I hope this helped you choose what camera you look to buy. The 6 is an average. The 6 is an average of $4.99 or $3.50 on eBay about. And the 4, so it does a good job, don't get me wrong. It has 4K. I always use 1080. But the 4, you get it for, I seen them for, as I got this one for, as you get the 4 for at least 170, 200 or more. It matters how much accessories and all type of stuff that you have. The front screen, you also can replace it just in case, like this one has one, you can replace it. Just have a little crack right here, so just come right off. You buy a new one. And this one's more durable. Well, I hope it helps you choose what camera you like to buy. I recommend the 6, but it's up to you guys. I have also other videos showing the features of both. Check it out. Well, like and subscribe. Hope it's helpful. Thanks.